Good morning, students. In our today's English language class, we are going to deal with chapter number 13, that is comparison of adverbs. As we know, adverb is a word which gives a meaning to a verb, an adjective or another adverb. In our previous class, we have studied about types of adverbs, works of adverbs, uses of adverbs. In this chapter, we are going to deal how adverb is compared or comparison of adverb. Let's see what's given in your chapter. Like adjectives, some adverbs can also be compared and have degree of comparison. As adjectives are compared, so adverbs are also compared, like superlative degree, positive degree and comparative degree used in adjective. So same are used for adverbs. Over here, it is explained with some examples. Let's see. Richa writes neatly. It's a positive degree. Sweta writes more neatly than Richa. It is a comparison between Sweta and Richa. So, it's a comparative degree. Nidhi writes the most neatly of all, superlative. Over here, this statement or sentence shows the superlative degree used in this sentence. Over here, a footnote is given below. What it says: only the adverb of degree, manner and time can be compared. Only adverb of degree, manner and time has comparison. But the words like how, then, once, there, where, etc. have no degree of comparison. These type of words doesn't have any degree of comparison. Let's proceed further to the next topic, that is formation of comparative and superlative degrees of adverbs. Comparative and superlative. Point number 1. If the adverb is of one syllable, the comparative is formed by adding er and the superlative is formed by adding est to the positive one. Let's see. Positive hard, comparative harder. We add er to make it a comparative, and superlative est is added with hard to make it hardest. Soon in positive changes to sooner in comparative, and soonest in superlative. But is changed to early, earlier and earliest. Point number 2. For adverbs ending in ly, comparatives are formed by adding more and superlatives by adding most. In adverbs ending ly, comparatives are used by adding more and superlatives by most. Let's see. Positive, it's written swiftly, comparative most swiftly, and superlative most swiftly. Skillfully in positive, more skillfully in comparative, and most skillfully in superlative degree. Sweetly in positive, most sweetly in comparative, and most sweetly in superlative. Wisely in positive, more wisely in comparative, and most wisely in superlative. We use most in superlative, more in comparative. Point number 3. Most adverbs form the degrees of comparison in an irregular way. Comparison is made in an irregular way. That's not a common way for making comparison. Like in positive bad, comparative worse, and in superlative worst. Positive late, comparative later, and in superlative last or latest. In positive far, comparative farther, superlative farthest. In positive much, comparative more, and in superlative most. Positive little, comparative less, and superlative least. Well changes to better in comparative and best in superlative, and near changes to nearer in comparative and next or nearest in superlative. We come to an end to this chapter number 13, comparison of adverbs. We'll proceed further in our next class. Till then, thank you.